Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, I want to show you around your dashboard and how to go about using the functions that are available on the dashboard. The first thing we want to do is to log in. And please remember, you don't log in from here. This is a customer login. The vendor's login is from below. You click on the dashboard for vendor, for merchant rather. And when you've clicked on on that link, the next thing you want to do is to enter your login details. Your password. It appears that I have entered the wrong login details. And please always make sure that you check if you had entered the email address correctly. In this case, I had missed something, and which is one of the major mistakes people do. Make sure you type your email address the way it is, otherwise you'll have issues. So we'll try again and we'll log in. Once the email address and password is correctly entered, you will be logged into your dashboard like this. Alright, this is your dashboard. This is the logo of the company of Rushda, and this is my shop. If you want to visit your shop to see how it looks like from the front end when customers come to Halal Mart and then they visit your shop, you want to see how it looks like, you click on this. It's going to bring it to your shop, and that is the address which you can display on social media, or you can advertise this address. This is your shop address, and when you give this out to people, they don't go straight to the homepage of Halal Mart. They come straight to your shop, and all the products you have will be displayed here. No matter the number of products you have, it will all be displayed here for them to see. Okay, that is about that very link, and this is a shortcut to add products. To add products, or if you want to learn how to add products, kindly come to the knowledge base. You have more videos here on how to add products and edit products, and these are your orders. You want to see how many orders you've fulfilled or you have pending to be fulfilled, or how many things you've sold. When you click here, it's going to give you, it's going to take you to the dashboard section that has to do with the order. In my case, I have not made any sales. If I had made sales, you will see the order, the item that was sold here, or that was ordered with the ID number, the date of that, the cost of that very order after the subtraction of the commission, and the status if it has been completed or still processing, and action to take. Maybe you're going to click on, you know, maybe you want to click on complete or delete or something. But if you want to see all the sales you have made on your store, this is where you come. You click on that. Announcement is maybe the admin wants to publish an information for your attention. You always get it from here. Announcement is when there's the admin is calling to your attention of something that is important, maybe telling you you have an order, maybe telling you have a deadline to do this or to do that. You always get a notification from here. All right, and this section here is where you can update your portal. You can choose to add your picture, okay, for easy recognition, but it is not necessary, it is not compulsory. It's just a matter of choice. And this is a front store, which is the same thing as this link here. And profile management will take you to where you will actually type save your name, your full name, which will be required, okay, full name, first and last name, and your email address. This cannot be edited. If you want your email address to be edited or to be changed, you need to contact the admin. And if you want to change your password, you can always change your password if you feel it has been compromised. And you can also upload your picture here, maybe a passport or something. All right, and the back end actually is the secondary section of adding your product. If you feel that you're not too conversant, for those of you who are good with WordPress, who is very conversant with WordPress, you can actually use this back end to get to the back end All right, in this case, it has been blocked. We don't want people messing around with the back end because the back end contains some vital information that needs not to be leaked out. Okay, so you're not given access, but if access has been granted to it to go into the back end to do anything you want to do with your product, then that's the best. That's the link you go through, and this is where you log out from your dashboard. It's very good to log out from the dashboard all the time. Okay, your store settings, we have already done this. This is the storefront where you save your store details. Okay, we had already done this in our previous videos. Add your cover photos. If you want to learn more about how to go about putting all this information in here, you come to the knowledge base and you have the videos that guide you in doing that. It is very necessary for you to do this because this is where you sell your things, and this is where people come to meet, to see, to know about your name, your business, and whatever you're selling. Okay, you're describing the kind of things you do, the kind of business you sell, and a message to your vendors or to your customers rather. And if you want to put your business address, it is you're not to put your residential address in here. The best thing to do here is to put your business address, the country and the city, zip code, time zone. You can leave that the way it is. And then you want to put your Facebook page, not your personal Facebook, your Facebook page, your Twitter page, your LinkedIn, and the rest of them, YouTube and Instagram. You can put all of them here if you want to. In my case, it's not necessary. A policy, the policy is the things you want your customer to know concerning buying from you a particular product. Maybe if the cost of sending, if you're selling a generator and you're selling a carton of biscuits, you see the prices of shipping will be different. So you might want to state it very clearly that any goods that is above so amount of kg will require so amount of money or additional expenses or whatever. So you decide what policy you have in your shipping items that is very friendly and that must be accommodating to your customers. And also you must have a refund policy. You must have refund policy on how to refund your how to refund money back to your customers in cases where maybe what they bought from you was faulty, or maybe what you advertised was not what they received and things like that. In those scenarios, there's usually a request for refund, but you could have a policy that if this thing is tampered with, then there'll be no refund. You can also have a policy that after 30 days there's no refund, after 7 days no refund, and things like that. So you can generate your policy that will be accommodating. Billing, the billing actually is where you update your bank details. Your bank details is what we use to receive our money from our sales. Okay. All right. So that is about this. Make sure you have your information accurately entered for easy payments. But if you're not a Nigerian, then you have to choose PayPal. But only Nigerians, you have to choose direct bank, and then you enter the bank name and all that, the type of bank account, maybe current or savings account. And the ABA number is a routing number, but you don't need this in Nigeria since we're transferring within ourselves, the same country. You also do not need the IBAN. All you need is the name of the account holder, the account number, and the bank. Okay, and then the next section is the product manager. Product manager tells you when you want to see all the products you have, add to the products you have, subtract from the product you have, delete, edit, and all those things. So when you come to all products, if you have 1,000 products, you will see all of them listed here. And sometimes a page would accept 10 page per view or 20 pages. sorry, 20 items per page or 10 items per page, but whatever the number of items that could be displayed on one page, you will always have page 2, page 3, page 4, and so on and so forth. So when you view page 1, you can go to the next page and next page and see all the products you have. Now the product will be listed according to the images, the featured image, the name of the product with the product ID, the prices, the number of stock if you had indicated stock management, and the category in which that product was being saved, the date of publish, the status of the product if it is pending or declined or published, and then you have the action section. And this action section here, you can see there are three icons. This is to preview your store or the very item in which you published. This is to edit the item, and this is to delete the item completely. So if you want to delete your product, you don't want that product anymore online, you just come in here and choose the delete, and it's going to ask the confirmation. You say yes. If you want to delete multiple products at the same time, maybe you want to delete 10 products, you just tick here and tick the next one and tick the next one, and then you come here and select move to trash. When you choose move to trash, then you click on apply. It's going to delete all those products you have selected at the same time. All right, to add a product, you simply click here or you click here. If you want to know more about adding products, click on the knowledge base and you will find more videos that has to do with adding a product and the things you want to do. Now, coupon is a kind of I'll call it a discount. You want to give discounts for a particular product. Okay, in this case I have no coupon. You can always create a coupon for a particular product. All right, if I add a coupon here, now I will title this, I could say Easter slash or Ramadan slash. Okay, Ramadan, whatever the case may be, I just give it a name. All right, description, you say buy, you can say buy up to, or not buy, you can say spend, it's a spend up to 50,000 and get discounts of 25%. All right, there's a description of your discount. So this type is going to be a fixed discount amount, and the coupon amount could be what, let's say it could what 50. Now the minimum spend, the person must spend a minimum of how much? The person must spend a minimum of, let's say 50,000, and maximum, there will be no maximum. Individual use only, yes, and then exclude items, we're not excluding any item. Now you have to specify the very product that this coupon will be linked to. So you type the name of the product. In my case, I have just this product here, so I think that will be the product. You can also add multiple products. For example, if you have like 3 or 5 products you want to attach a coupon, just go ahead and type the name of the next product and it's going to come up like that. And category, you can say any category, or you can say it has to be from bag, or it has to be from a buyer, or it has to be from Halal items, or whichever. And then exclude categories, not necessary because you've not or you can say you want it in all the category except so and so category. Okay, you can also say you want it in all the products except so and so products, the same thing. And if you have a restriction to include, there will be no restrictions. Users limit, you can choose, you can say one time, you can say the coupon is just for one person. For example, if Mr. A comes to your shop, to your store to buy a bag, that bag, once he buys it and he meets the criteria to use the coupon, it means next time he's not going to use that coupon again. That is if you put only one time. So which means if you use it once, it's gone. If you put 5 times, it means the person can use it up to 5 times, and after that it's gone. So which means if the person wants to buy those items over and over again, it means there's going to be deductions of the fixed amount. All right. You can say usage limit per user. Okay, the same thing I'm saying here is let's say 5 usage. Limit usage to X item. You can say you can use this coupon only on one item and only 5 times on a particular item. I hope you understand what that means anyway. So maximum spend, the person must spend at least 50,000 naira before the coupon will be activated. And then is a slash, you say 20% coupon, you just say fixed products, a fixed discount. You can say discount should be 5,000. What is it? You have to calculate 25% of 50,000 or whatever the person is saying. You can just say you want to give out 5,000 naira for if anybody spends above 50,000 on a particular product, you're taking out 5,000 naira from that product, which means instead of, for example, the goods is 90,000, you'll be selling it for 85,000 because you're subtracting 5,000. As long as it's above 50,000. If the goods is 50,000, then you're selling for 45,000 because it's up to 50,000 and discount like that. So that is about the coupon, and this will be added. Okay, let's save this and see what happens. All right, that has been saved. Now there's a Ramadan slash coupon here. Usage is that. Let me try to access the store as a different person and see how this coupon is really reflecting on my store. Halal Mart. Come, and I'll be looking for Kile. All right, there's it. Kile is there. All right, let's see how the coupon is being added. When I put this to store, add to chart, I will say checkout. And where is my coupon? Well. The coupon is supposed to show up here, but I don't know why it's not coming up. All right, yeah. Click here to enter your coupon code. The coupon code could be something that is what. All right. Ramadan slash. All right. So the coupon name is Ramadan slash. So you can see coupon Ramadan slash 5,000 has been removed, has been subtracted, and you can see the price is reduced. So the coupon code is only you're going to announce that coupon code to your customers, okay, so they can use that to buy and sell, to buy from your store anyway. And so that's it. Now the reason we're not seeing shipping options here is because I decided not to select the shipping class, but I think you need to select the shipping class. Let's go back and put a shipping class on our item, on the products. Okay, I'll come back here and edit this product and give the shipping class. Or maybe we can even do it from here. No, I think it's from here. All right, we'll do it from here. Okay, we edit this. We'll go to the shipping section. Shipping section. Shipping has been activated. I don't know why that is. We actually had a shipping class activated, but I can see options to choose from. Okay, now I know the problem. Actually, the buyer is from a different country. So we were in order. We don't need shipping class. We were in order, no shipping class. So everything is fine and everything was fine. Now the reason why we're not having um, we're not having shipping option here is because this is not Nigeria. For some reason, the IP address detected a different country. So let's move this back to Nigeria. And secondly, this is outside. This is outside the shipping region. So by default, once it is outside the shipping region, the price goes to 36,000. It takes 8 to 4 working days. So the amount. So if we change this to Nigeria, the buyer must be in Nigeria, and this is going to update itself. All right. So now we're back to Nigeria. You can see we have FedEx wants to do this 4,000 naira. So the buyer can decide to choose local pickup, or the person can decide to choose this one through ABC Transport or Bismarck, Agofere, or whatever of the transport services. So which means that tells you that when the person chooses this, it means you're to fulfill using this. You have to go to Agofere and pay to send this item to the person, and so that's it. The coupon, you see the coupon has been removed because the total sale is not up to 50,000 naira. All right, the total sale is not up to 50,000, so the coupon doesn't apply here. So coupon is 0, even if the person got the code, but 0 is to be removed. So that's it. And then you click on proceed to payment, and let's see how it goes. When you click on proceed to payment, it's going to ask you for all these details. Now your buyer will not be able to proceed until this information is completed. So I'll just put a dummy data here. Just put something there, put something there, put something there, same thing there. And I'll just select city, okay, right, in Anambra State, and then I put some codes in there, and I put the telephone number. That doesn't really matter, but it really does matter anyway. And then you put a phone email address, and then the customers could decide to create customer accounts so that next time they will not have to fill in all this information again. They'll just have to go straight to place order. But if your customers decide to ship to a different address, they will choose this, and they will enter the address of the where they want the items to be delivered. And so you place your order, and when the information here has been accepted, and this is a confirmation of the order, it's going to generate an order number. It's going to tell us the date and the total amount, and then the payment mode is going to be a credit card. And so the person accepts and clicks on pay. And once that button has been clicked, and the next thing is to make payments with the MasterCard or Visa card or whatever kind of card that is acceptable on the portal. Still trying to process the payments gateway. I think the network is kind of being slow. Maybe we should just refresh the page again. Let's try that one more time. Click on pay. Let's reload that. All right, that was an interruption from the network. The network wasn't too good to load the payment gateway. So we'll cancel this. Anyway, it wasn't a real payment. I was just about doing a test. Okay, that is about coupon. I just want us to know about the coupon and how it has been applied and how the customer sees the coupon on the payment page. So we'll go back to what we were doing. And then that was about the coupon, and now the statistics and reports. You want to see how your store is performing. You want to see how much you've made totally, the total number of orders has been placed, and total number of coupons has been used. Unique customers who has come to your store to buy something from you, how much you've earned. Your earning will be different from your sales because of the commission that will be deducted for those who will have commission deducted. But for those who will not have commission to be deducted, whatever you sell here is what you'll be earning here. But if commission is involved, it means whatever you see here will be more than what you see here by 10%. And then purchase products and total coupon discount and all this. So this is just a summary at a glance of what performance you are on the sales. You can sort by date ranges and all that. You can choose, okay, I want to see my sale for between the 1st of October and the 31st of October. It's going to display the total amount of sales on this month, so it's going to be very good for your accounting purposes. You can also download this to your Excel file. CSV is going to download, which you can open with Excel. All right, and that is about that. And orders, now whenever you have orders, remember I told you that you can access from here. So it's the same thing, either you click from here or you click from here, and it's going to tell you what order is processing, the order that you've received, and the order that is pending to be delivered, and all those things. And then payment here, if you want to request for payment, you click on the withdrawal link. And then it's going to process, the page should show up, and so you're going to see the order number for which you want to the order for which you want to withdraw the money, and then you're going to see the amount of commission that has been charged in that order, and then the shipping amount that is going to be added to you because you're going to pay for the shipping when the customer has paid you the money for shipping. So the shipping amount will be here, and the tax amount will be withheld. The Halal Mart will get the tax from you because we'll be remitting the tax to FIRS, and then the total payouts that you'll be receiving, and then you follow the next instruction to get your money out. Then payment history will tell you the total amount of money that you've withdrawn so far that's been paid out to you. Okay, and that is that about the history and the payment part of it. And knowledge base is where you have resourceful information on how to go about using this dashboard or the website generally. Oops, there's a problem here. We have this one here, how to update your profile, and this one, there's an internal server error. That's because of the network. There's a network issue here. When the network is good, you're going to see videos. These are supposed to be videos that were uploaded. And so there's that about knowledge base, the dashboard and so there's nothing to be shown here. So where we have business are the store settings, manager, coupon, stats and reports, order, payment, and knowledge base, where you can have yourself reminded on how to do one or two things which you intend to do. And so I think there should be fixed later. All right. If there are any more questions, you have questions, you can send a message to the admin. And until then, bye.